Welcome to another Tuesday night taste test of Big Lee's Corner and the final Cheez-It episode of the Cheez-It series, whatever the hell I'm trying to say. Well, maybe the final one. I never know. I might come across another flavor I never had before then. But just in case, the final one, this time Duoz bacon and cheddar. The match made in heaven. Not that I'm ever going to see heaven. I mean, I'm an asshole anyway. So, hell with my religion views, because I don't have any. I believe all three of those were bacon flavor. But not as much flavor of a bacon as your regular bacon. I admit, first time I actually let down by the taste, but not as much flavor as bacon and cheddar. Hold on, this stupid thing's popping up again. If I wanted to shut this computer off, I would have shut it off already. Now, where was I? But yeah, it's still got the bacon flavor is still there. It's just more like the cheese crackers of bacon and cheddar. If you ever tried those, I would compare it to that. But it's still good Cheez-It flavor. So, for all my fellow bacon and cheese mixed lovers out there, go for it. That's all for this episode of Tuesday Night Taste Test. I'll try to have a nice day. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. Now I gotta drink something after trying all these Cheez-Its.